Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, September 17th. We just got in and we are finalizing our masters for our Studio Techniques final. We could have handed them in yesterday, but I just wanted to make a few more tweaks, make sure that everything was sitting exactly where I wanted it. I think we're gonna do well. Yeah, we aced the two other reviews. You know, pretty much those, there's a certain mark you have to get to pass, and then they encourage you to go to 100%. It's all multiple choice review online. I don't know, level 4 final. I honestly feel like the mixing stuff was more difficult than the mastering stuff, which, you know, as I said at the beginning of the week vlog, makes sense. There's a lot more to the mixing side of things than there is the mastering side of things. That being said, I wanted to offer something. If you join my Discord, link right below, I'm going to put up some free mastering services on there. I think that'll be a great way for me to practice mastering other people's tracks. Jump to my Discord, say hi, and I will get you sorted. We got our final up here. We're getting to work. We're gonna get this handed in. I'll keep you updated on all the final marks we get for level 4. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, September 17th. We don't have anything to do today. We are done. Done. The level 4 finals. Big recap coming up for my Friday vlog segment. We got a remix open here. This is from Label Radar. We are remixing a track that's on Armada, and I'm super excited about this one. As I've been explaining, the way that I do remixes is I pretty well create an entire new original track around the vocal. This track is a perfect example of that, and the ideas that I got for the track, it's basically as if I collaborated with these vocalists myself. Now, the number one reason why I do this, if I don't win this remix contest, all I have to do is remove the vocal, send this off to my own vocalist, and collaborate on what would be an original track. I have used this method many times, and right now, I'm not even kidding, we probably have about 4 remixes on the go that are going to be, I mean, it would be insane if I won all of these remix contests. Like, don't get me wrong, I mean, it's a needle in a haystack with the talent that is out there these days, and I've done a lot of remix contests. But the thing is, it sets a deadline, we finish music, and at the end of the day, if we don't win, we have a brand new original waiting for us to release. I mean, what is better than a music producer finishing music? We are basically doing our final mix on this track, using that channel strip we talked about, using a lot of the new mixing techniques that we learned at Icon this quarter. All right, let's get to work on this. Well, hello there. Welcome back to another episode of the Friday Fireside Chat. I am your host, Elated, and today we are talking about Finals Week at Icon Collective. Finals Week for the online course definitely works quite a bit different than being an in-house student because we get to go at our own pace. A lot of the major course material is spread out through the entire quarter. We also have up to level 6, whereas the in-house students only go up to level 4. First and foremost though, let's wind down from the week by taking a nice deep breath. In, hold, and out. That's better. Let's get back to finals week. The big final for level 4, all about mastering. Now, I've said it a couple times now, but your mastering process is actually quite simple. It's the cherry on top. Let's recap what we learned during level 4. Here we are in the overview for level 4. The intro to music business, talking about financing, talking about different revenue streams, talking about setting up your music business. Unit 3, we started talking about vocal premixing, mixing vocals in your track. That led us into the full mix down Studio Techniques classes. Core essential music production knowledge. Music theory, we went on to talk about harmonic rhythm, harmonies, talking about how to navigate record deals, and finally into mastering, another essential part of music production. We learned a lot, didn't we? Level 4 has been teaching us some of the very core music producer techniques, studio techniques in particular. All of that mixing stuff has really leveled up my production. Cleaning everything up, the fine detail of knowing how to mix down a track properly from the ground up. is such essential information. I feel like when you're learning on your own and you're kind of just piecing together random bits of information that you can find, the result is just a lack of cohesion. This is the whole reason that I came to Icon. This is filling in all the cracks in my foundation. I wasn't employing a lot of these cleanup techniques with my tracks, and I am noticing a huge difference overall. So let's do a detailed breakdown of exactly how I did for each individual course at Icon for level 4. So here is an overview, all the analytics. You can see in this bar graph how I did for every single course, every single class that we had for level 4, with my grade point average for each class over here. I am so stoked about how well we did. Let's break it down even further. And here it is, class by class. Unit 1, Unit 2, all the way down to Unit 11, and our overall grade point average of 95%. As impressive as a mark that is, let's dive deeper into Icon's mentality behind what they're teaching and how they're teaching it. Well, how about that? The thing about marks at Icon Collective is they're actually pretty irrelevant. I never did well in school at all. So to be so passionate about what I'm learning and to be getting these kinds of marks does mean something to me. But the whole mentality of Icon Collective, the Art of Flow class, understanding how to tap into our intuition, how to create music from an authentic place, that is what Icon really is about. I remember at the very beginning, before I had even started, I asked, are you still going to be giving out the Top Student Award even with the new online course? And the answer that I got back was, if you're worried about getting top student, then you're missing the point. And now, 1 year into the course, I totally get where they were coming from. It's a mentality flip that I think at some point all of us artists go through. I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity and how things are going. All right, that is it for the final Friday Fireside Chat of level 4. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, September 18th. No, we're not done. We gotta end the vlog properly, and that includes Sound Design Saturday. What a week we've had. Finals is done. We get to relax. We get to do some sound design. We've got Silent open. We've got Dune open. We are ready to rock for Sound Design Saturday. I got this free sample pack from Audio Tent. One of the best things you can do, I think anyways, to practice sound design is to pull up your favorite presets and then try and recreate them. Now, you can either recreate them in the same synth, or to make it a little more challenging, pull up a different synth and try and recreate it in there. What I like to do is listen to the original sound a couple times and then just start recreating. I always have the visual of where the faders and knobs and dials are, but I try and recreate the sound in my own vision. So that enables me to be a little more original with things and take the sounds in a direction that, could end up not even sounding anything like the original, or I get pretty close. Obviously, this is just for practicing sound design. There's no pressure here that these are going to be put in a preset pack that I'm going to release. This is purely for practice, practice, practice. When I go to do my own sample pack, which is one of my goals, I will be doing that almost from the same creative headspace that I write a track in. I think like theme-wise and how I want it to represent the sounds that I'm using, you gotta approach it in that same sort of creative way. So yeah, let's get into this sound design, and I am very excited to show you what I come up with today. Welcome back to Sound Design Saturday, and today we are recreating sounds from Silent into Dune. And I liked a few of the sounds, but I wanted to change them to a little more my vibe. Some of them are just way too techno, and I kind of want more of a top 40-ish, not as detuned kind of vibe. Without further ado, the very last Sound Design Saturday of level 4. Meet me over by the computer. Elated presets, epic remakes, basic weird pluck. Number 2, crazy bass and pluck. Patch description. Mod wheel for more highs can be used as a bass or pluck. Number 3, Elated Distort 808 drum. Light feather pluck. Sus breakdown energy bass. Very solid pluck. And last up, wonky LFO pluck. So there you go. That last one was absolutely nuts. Not sure how I'll use that in a track, but definitely gotta try. I'm so happy with how things went for level 4, and I cannot wait to jump into level 5. I'll be taking a little break from the vlog, but rest assured, I got some really great videos planned, and I look forward to seeing you in level 5.